The United Nations adopted 17 Sustainable Development Goals for 2013 in 2015. A crisis in early 2020 has greatly highlighted the incompleteness of the current 17 SDGs goal. Digital divide even increased the risks and uncertainties that digital technology brings to this society. CSR and sustainability are indeed two hot topics in recent years. The government requires companies to issue a CSR report. And for companies that are just emerging for CSR development, it means that there are many hurdles to break through. But because every company is unique, as long as the company finds the direction and goal of CSR, it becomes a treasure to our society. And this is why TransAct was born. We aim to become the navigator of the company on the way of CSR development and assist the company to find the treasure island where it is going to land. Due to globalization and international competition, companies have begun to attach the importance of CSR. Without the practical connotation of CSR and specific related certifications, it will be difficult for companies to obtain orders from major foreign brands. If they ignore social and environmental responsibilities, the confrontation between consumers and the whole society will cause companies to fail to develop sustainably and face a major crisis of business risks. SMEs are the largest enterprise type in Taiwan. In the process of developing CSR, they often encounter difficulties such as not knowing what CSR is and how to do CSR. TransAct hopes to grow with all the SMEs by our own professional knowledge and help find out each company's own CSR development strategy. Accurately anchor the development direction of enterprise, assist in applying for relevant subsidies from the government, reduce the obstacles that may be faced in the development process, and finally implement the 100% CSR implementation rate of Taiwanese enterprises, and create a mutual relationship between the enterprise and the society. The good cycle of co-prosperity enhances the competitiveness of enterprises, successfully goes international, and polishes Taiwan's signature. Our CSR Practice Business Modular Digital Platform provides functions such as ESAA, Self-Assessment Questionnaire, SESP, Data Analysis Framework, and Exclusive Cloud Digital Passbook. Functions such as SESP and Cloud Digital Passbooks can assist companies in venturing stakeholder concerns, take checking SDGs and ESG indicators, and quantifying benefits, so that Taiwanese SMEs can sustainably operate and expand. With the assistance of TransAct, we help apply for technology project subsidy resources and various procurement plans. And at the same time, it receives more business opportunities and orders for plans and projects through the international value chain. Increase the CSR resources of SMEs and efficiently drive the core of enterprise energy. Finally, enhance the value of Taiwanese society and contributes to the society at the same time as enterprise grows. After TransAct joined, a one-stop CSR introduction plan was customized for environmental technology company through our digital platform. First of all, applying for the Youth Employment Ultimate Plan through the digital platform to help the industrial ecology face the problem of insufficient labor resources and successfully reduce the cost of employment. Vision Horse number 1, 2, 5, 8, and 16 indicators. Second, Enterprises Human Resources Upgrade Plan assists in the diversified training of corporate talents. Continuously improve the skills required by employees for different positions, and actively invest in corporate technology development, research and innovation courses, in order to respond to changes brought about by the times. Build a complete talent training system and fully implement number 3, 4, 8, 9, 11, and 17 indicators. Third, the Kaohsiung R&D and Reward Subsidy Program has increased the output value of environmental technology company, allowing waste materials to be transformed and regenerated, becoming a part of the circular economy, and recycling the green supply chain to make profits. In the end, Kaohsiung will be built into a green city, and it will successfully enter the CSR indicators of number 7, 11, 12, 13, and 15. the founder of Colonel Cultural Printing Corporation, who was transferred from the military position to the printing industry. Agreeing with the concept of CSR, he chose to collaborate with TransAct to implement CSR to create a happy enterprise. Our team customized the DNA model of Colonel through our digital platform, such as the Hiring Talent Subsidy Program that meets number 1, 2, and 3 indicators, Talent Improvement Plan that correspond to indicator number 4, collaborating with National Kaohsiung University of Science and Technology and Izhou University to jointly practice indicator number 5. The production line introduced into smart manufacturing meets the indicators number 6 and 7. And indicator number 8 is to apply for the credit guarantee fund through the consulting of TransAct. It also includes anti-epidemic relief and revitalization, policy project financing, and proof of decline in turnover. And TransAct assists Colonel in the logo story design and brand marketing, Kaohsiung Industry incentive subsidy application, and through green procurement to enhance government bids, participation in public welfare activities and donations of materials, successively assist Colonel to achieve number 9, 10, 11, and 17 indicators.